Alright, today I'll be showing you how to solve an edge parity like this on a 7x7 where all the 5 edge pieces are flipped, and yeah, it's the same as on a 5x5, except on a 5x5 it looks like this, which is 3 edge pieces flipped. And the algorithm you do is the same on a 5x5 as on a 7x7, which is 2RR, 2B, 2U, LL, 2U, RR prime, 2U, RR, 2U, 2F, RR, 2F, LL prime, 2B, and 2RR. And there's that same, those edges, the green and the red, and they are now fixed and they're not flipping anymore. So you can do that same algorithm on these edges on a 7x7 with the 2. But what it did was just flip these 2 pieces, the 2 end edges, the 2 edges on the end were just flipped so that this was a complete edge now. If you do that same algorithm on a 7x7, it'll only be flipping this edge and this edge, which would mean that in the center edge would be the one with the red on the top, and then every other one would have yellow on the top. So that means it'd be like just like the 5x5. These 2 would be matched. This one would be different, then these 2 would be matched. So I'll show you. If you do the same algorithm, 2RR, 2B, 2U, LL, 2U, RR prime, 2U, RR, 2U, 2F, RR, 2F, LL prime, 2B, 2RR. That's what I'm saying right here. The outer one's flipped, so now it's like just like a 5x5 edge. And then how you would do that one is, instead of turning just the 2 layers to do the entire algorithm, you turn all 3 layers. And that would, turning all 3 layers, the layers that you turn, the outer layer doesn't matter. It's just, so you're turning all 3, the ones that you turn are the ones that are going to be flipped. So if you turn all 3, it'll flip both of these and both of these. And when you just turn the 2, it just flipped that one. So you can do that same algorithm with turning just 3 layers instead. And there, it's done. But there's another way you can do this fix without having to do the algorithm twice. Here's another edge just like that. It's the yellow and the orange. What you can do, instead of turning the 2 layers to the algorithm and then the 3, because that's just basically like flipping the outer one and then flipping both of them. So that means you flip the outer one twice and you flip this one once. So that means, why can't you just flip this one instead of flipping this one and then both of them again? So it's like you flip this one twice, so there's no need to do that. So you can do the algorithm with just turning this layer and this layer. Take the 3rd layers from the outside side. 3. And so instead of going like this to turn the first turn in the algorithm, or instead of doing just this, you do this. You just turn this layer, and you do this, and you do the same algorithm. there. It just fixed that all in one. Because basically what it just did was flipped that one edge over here and this one. So when they're all flipped, it just flipped the ones right here, instead of flipping the outer side one, then flipping both of them. So that's a faster way to do that parity, and hope that helped, and thanks for watching.